Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate your Capital One debit card step by step clearly. First, take your new Capital One debit card out of the envelope and check that your name is printed correctly. Next, find the activation sticker or insert that explains the activation options included with the card. Then, locate the card's security code and expiration date so you can confirm details if you are asked. After that, make sure you have your social security number or account information available in case verification is required. Now, choose the easiest activation method for you: phone, mobile app, or online banking. If you want to activate by phone, look for the Capital One activation phone number printed on the sticker or the back of the card. Call that number from your phone and listen carefully to the automated instructions. When prompted, enter the debit card number using your keypad. Next, confirm your identity by entering the requested details, such as your zip code or the last digits of your SSN. Then, create or confirm your debit card PIN if the system offers that option during the call. Wait for the system to say your card is activated, and do not hang up until you hear the confirmation. If you prefer the Capital One mobile app, download it from the App Store or Google Play on your phone. Open the app and tap Sign In. Then enter your Capital One username and password. If you do not have online access yet, tap Enroll and follow the prompts to create your login. Once you are signed in, go to your checking account or card management section. Look for an option that says Activate Card, New Card, or Card Settings depending on your app version. Tap Activate Card and follow the on-screen instructions to confirm the card details. If asked, enter the CVV, expiration date, or other verification information to complete activation. Wait for the activation confirmation message in the app before closing it. If you want to activate online, go to CapitalOne.com using a secure browser on your computer or phone. Click Sign In and enter your Capital One username and password to access your account. Navigate to your checking account. Then find the debit card or card services area. Select the Activate Debit Card option and confirm the requested information. If the website asks you to set a PIN, choose a PIN that is not easy to guess and confirm it. After activation, sign the back of your debit card immediately with a PIN for added security. Make one small purchase or ATM balance inquiry if you want to verify the card works before relying on it. Turn on transaction alerts in the app or online banking so you can monitor card activity in real time. Store your card and PIN safely, and never share your PIN with anyone. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.